Yeah, money, money, money. Yeah, most houses in America it's built with lumbers, wood, like that. Yeah, like that. See, like this is like the plumbing work done, the electrical. See that, like that. It's all wood. Yeah. See that? That's how they do it over here in the United States. In this part of the United States. See that? That's how they do their construction. Even the staircase is all wood. See that? All the way. Yeah. Yeah. It's different. It's different like what we have back home. Like in Nigeria, it's just still too different. Yeah. See that? It's all wood. No blocks. It's all wood. Yeah. It's all the way. It's all wood. Yeah, man. When they finish this, you won't even believe it. It won't look like it's even wood. Once they do the finishing outside and inside, yeah, this stuff will look so good on the inside. You won't even believe it. And the wood is treated, and it can last for forever. You know. So the wood are really good treated wood. You know. Yeah, this is how we do it here. It's different.